What is going on, everyone? Derek here today, bringing you guys another video, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time tuning in to DerekBaranProductions, be sure to do me a favor and slap that subscribe button, drop a like up on this video, and I hope you enjoy your time here. So on today's agenda, guys, there's something I really want to take care of. It's been bothering me ever since I moved in to my new headquarters here, and kind of looking at them now, and it's gonna be these things. Thing number one and thing number two over there, and that's gonna be the lighting in this place. What you don't know yet is that this garage right now has completely transformed and you haven't seen it yet, and I'm looking at a lot of changes that you guys are definitely gonna enjoy, so you have to stick around for this video and you have to drop a like on it. You have to drop a like on it to unlock like the next part of the video. Give you a little look at old Blucifer here. This car has been running amazing, it feels amazing, and most importantly, I mean, just look at it. It looks amazing. Look at that beast. Oh my gosh, it's actually gorgeous out here today. I didn't even realize it was this nice out. I'm sitting inside cooped up playing Warzone, streaming for you guys. By the way, go follow your boy on Twitch at DerekBaranProductions. We've been grinding every day, losing every day, but most importantly, having fun. You know, before I hit the store, I wonder if I should go up there and remove one bulb, just to double check like the specs on it. I wanna say it's a 4-foot bulb, but it does look really skinny. I'm gonna go up there and take one out real quick. I'm not gonna even lie to you. All right, this is a little sketchy. This ladder isn't too sturdy. So I pulled both of the bulbs out, and I guess this is what's currently in there. ProLume Eco Shield. Yeah, I have no idea what any of that means. So they seem to have measured like just under 4 foot. Now I measured from this silver piece to that silver piece, and if you were to measure from the prong to prong, it might be 4 foot, so I'm actually just gonna bring the bulb with me because just by looking at it, it's definitely a lot slimmer than other fluorescent bulbs I've seen. So as far as like fitting a bigger one in there, it might be possible. I don't know though. I got a feeling I'm gonna have to go ahead and throw up some external lights and run an extension cord along the ceiling or something, because these are tiny, man. I need some lighting in here too, that's the thing, so. Guess we'll see what Lowe's has. Who in the heck is this? That's 550? Yo! New whip?
Oh yeah.
No kidding. Are you selling that?
Oh yeah, man. This one comes with a turbo, man. 60 miles per gallon, you know?
You said screw the clutch and stuff?
I had to retire this one. Don't need no clutch. 10-speed automatic for all you racers. Let's get it.
Shoot, okay. I wasn't expecting you to pull up in that. Look how mad skinny these are though. And like the ballast in those for the control of fluorescent is way different than an LED. So you have to like modify that, but I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna zap myself or something. We can put you up there. Shit. Is this like a premium full package on this?
It just doesn't have the black accent, but I mean, we can put the wheels on it.
True.
Oh, there's no brake.
Oh, dang, okay. Oh. All right, this is kind of cozy. Oh, dude, I could sleep in here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God. So we just stumbled across this little island of LED bulbs, and it says Universal replaces F32 T8s and F40 T12s. And if you actually look on the stamping of this bulb, it says F32 T8. So we got 4 of those. And we're gonna look over here though, just to see if there's any better ones, because I'm trying to go all out. I'm trying to like literally blind myself.
Driveway.
Are those LED?
Yeah.
Those are LED. Those are regular fluorescents. I think these are all LED right here. $20 for 2, and 1800 lumens. It says, where was it? It can go up to 6500 degrees Kelvin, which is going to be the color of the light. We obviously want as white as possible because the walls in the garage are like a tan, so we kind of want to get through that because I'm not painting them white. But I guess we'll just try these and just pop them in and see what happens. I mean, they're the exact same replacement model, so that's good. Hopping back in the Eco Beast. Dude, I'm so glad you got this car.
Yeah, right.
It's so much better than S197s. Dude, yo, you're stacked, bro. Mountain Dew, Dr. Pepper, you stay ready. thanks for coming in. Oh, did you hear that thing purring?
Oh yeah. Needs a big turbo, some fuel injectors, and you know, 500 horsepower.
Moment of truth, Teddy. We're gonna see if this stuff works. Get these unboxed, pop them in, and see if these work without some sort of modification to the ballast. So here we go. Excuse me. All right, I need a light. That's all we got. Holy fuck, this is scary.
Looks pretty bright.
It flashed. I don't know why it flashed. All right, hit the light. Let's see if this works.
God.
Yo, let's go. Holy hell. That is so much better, dude. Just a little comparison. You can see how warm of a color that is. Now if we go over here, you can see it's much brighter. Oh yeah, big time. Yeah, no, I don't have to go that far.
Watch your door.
Yeah, I don't know. Hopefully it won't go that far. And then we stop.
Fine.
That's good?
Yeah.
Crusty ass ladder. Alright, let me open this other one real quick. Okay. So we got the light bulbs installed. We're gonna go ahead and close the garage door and flick the lights on. It is a ton different. All right, and go for it. So much brighter in here. Like, how does vlogging look? It should look much better. I am gonna put another really bright light. I have an outlet right there. I'm gonna run the light to the middle, or maybe over there, I don't know. But there's a really cool light they sell that expands all over the place, which is sweet. But I think that's a hell of an upgrade just for bulb switching, so they worked. Now that we got the lighting in, and you could probably tell it's way better than what it was before. I have obviously done some stuff to the garage since the last time you've seen it, and I figured I'd go ahead and share that with you guys. It's definitely come a long way, and it's starting to feel more like home, if that makes sense. There's still more we have to do, but this is just a little update, and this is what, within like a week or two. So I definitely enjoy it. I'm just gonna walk through the front door and just kind of pan over everything, and then I'll go ahead and just talk a little bit about it. So when you first walk in, guys, you're gonna notice we have the car sitting there looking all good, and peep the little DVP squad flag on the garage door. That's probably one of my favorite things, because looking at it from this view, you know, you can just see DVP squad hanging there. But anyway, we have the little work area that you guys saw in like the first garage video where we wrapped the glass in this satin black. And we're still gonna turn this into a workbench with wood eventually, but you know, little cabinets, little aerial rug, a little chair. We got some miscellaneous stuff on the desk right now. I haven't really paid too much attention to this, but we got my mini fridge, and here's my little sticker collection that I have going on. You know, got a little Bluetooth valve right there as well. So you guys obviously have my PO box now. Send me stickers. I want to sticker bomb this whole mini fridge, but you know, we ain't got nothing too fancy inside right now. And check this little throwback out. Tuner guys, this is Chris's old car, S550 Chris. This was Jeff Ashton's little brand, and I just like to keep that for a little piece of decor. It's pretty cool. Obviously, we've got the toolbox here to the right of that. This is the one that my girlfriend got me for my birthday, which is coming up, and I keep forgetting. But at the TV, I am gonna hang it on the wall. I'm gonna take your guys' advice on that, so I have a little work area, even though that's gonna be a whole workbench over there. But it is a clean little look just for now, and I'm pretty cool with it. Got my jack stands right there, and you guys saw I do have a little bit of tool action going on. Nothing too crazy. If you wanna go peep that video, you can. Got my new jack. Nice little green broom that I'm kind of pissed about because someone pointed out to me. You can see it has a nice little warp to it, so it doesn't sit flat. So I'm not happy about that, but hey, it is what it is. Now this is definitely one of my favorite sections. As you can see, I am definitely a little OCD and neat freak. Romina picked up this shelf at the Goodwill for 15 bucks. and it's really sturdy, believe it or not. I cleaned it up and everything, and I have all these detailing products, and I just made it into like a nice little shelf. And we got that little custom DVP stereo thing here that Jordan made me. This is super dope. I'll just connect it Bluetooth to my phone and jam out in here and whatnot, just kick it. But we got some spray away products, a lot of spray away products, but I actually use the chemical guys mainly. They have some really nice stuff as well. And again, got the nice little DVP squad banner flag sitting right behind the car. And this is how close I push the car back to the door just so I can utilize all the space. We haven't started on the license plate wall yet. I do have these two. I got grabber 2 valve, blue 2 valve, and I have Blucifer's plate that was supposed to be on the front in the car as well. But we're gonna start that wall here shortly. So if you have a custom license plate, head to the description. My P.O. box is in there. Send it to the P.O. box and we can go ahead and throw you on the wall. This wall, as you can tell, is blank. Just kidding, we've already started it. We have all the artwork so far. You can just take a little glance at it. You know, 13,000 subs. We got Simon, absolute beast in drawing with colored pencil. That's pretty sick. Got some paintings from Zach. We got more paintings from Zach. We got canvas. We got a canvas. What the fuck? We got a canvas. How you say it?
Canvas.
Canvas. We got a canvas print here from Ben. That's one of my favorite photos of Blue 2 valve. Then we have another canvas here from my mother for my like 17th or 18th birthday when I first got the car. Got some more cool things, little milestones. My first video to ever hit 1 million views right there. Ben's little drawing. He always makes fun of it because he thinks it's terrible, which it is pretty bad, but I love it. Coming over to the door, you can see grabber blue Mustang parking only, and I think we're doing a pretty good job of that right there, so looking pretty good. Got the OG little DVP squad little sign there, license plate from Jordan back in like 2018 maybe, so that's pretty cool. And then we have this, believe it or not, I had this sign before I had a Mustang. I was probably 15 or 16, so that's pretty cool. You could definitely tell there's some wear and tear on it, but overall, guys, that's a little garage update for you. It's definitely coming along pretty nice, and you know, it has my touch to it. Once we get Blue 2 valve in here and start working on that as well, it'll be a real throwback. But I like it. Definitely got some space. I love the lighting. That helped out a lot. And you know, the car, I'm just so glad it's back because it really does make it look good. But speaking about the car, Teddy here just said, you haven't ridden in it boosted?
No, I haven't.
Dude,
Given me the chance.
that is a problem. So we're gonna go take him for a drive real quick. Do not expect anything wild. For one, it is 4:30. There's gonna be hella traffic, but you know, he'll be able to feel it out a little bit. And I just can't believe I haven't taken him for a ride. That's just, it's hard to believe. I'm gonna give you the keys. I'm gonna go up to the first floor and kind of walk like where someone's house would be right here, where they live. We're gonna start it with the door shut. And I wanna see how loud it is from that floor, if I feel it rumbling the ground or anything. Okay, so here's the keys. I'm gonna call you. I'm gonna shoot you a call and I'll say, go ahead and start. So I'm gonna shut this door real quick. All right, so this is the first floor. Someone's house right there. Did you start it?
No, I am right now.
Oh, dude, we're good.
Is it loud?
Oh, dude, we're good. It's not even that loud in like this garage area. These are all garages, not housing. I barely heard it. Check this out. Woo, that's sweet. You're in charge of the camera?
That's good.
There you go. And I think I have everything. Can't believe this is your first time in it boosted.
You're telling me.
That's, dude, how? How did we go that long? Let her warm up a little bit and I'll warm up these tires first. And they're not like the cold.
Do whatever you think you're comfortable with. Do not pull a me.
Alright, here we go. I gotta slow it down. Alright, 3, 2, and 1. there, but it does not like that, man. I gotta be honest, I didn't get locked out.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's because it's really cold out.
Maybe.
Because if it's hot during the summer, it does not go in, bro. It did a lot better than I thought with the stock, for real. But that was second. I'm surprised it held it down, honestly. We spun a little bit, it broke loose. But no, I felt good. I haven't done a second gear pull in a hot minute. Well, we got him back into the garage. How'd it feel?
I loved it.
Fun?
Need boost now.
You need boost. You do. You need to put that Paxton on and just roll with it. Anyway, guys, I am gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the garage. It's definitely come a long way, and this lighting, especially, like, I'm enjoying filming now. It's not super orange, but works good. And thank you guys so much for watching. Drop a like up on this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you tomorrow, 8 p.m. Eastern time, for another video. But until next time, we'll see you later.